Hey guys, and welcome back to One Way Home. I'm Kay. So most folks don't know how to prepare their pampas grass upon receiving it when they order it. So I'm just going to show you a quick example. You know, depending on how it comes ordered, it could come in a covered plastic like this, and the pampas grass is quite compressed. It could come all nicely dolled up and all nice and glam for you. And the pampas grass is usually compressed, and that's because, you know, once it's going through the shipping process, you know, the seller wants it to be as protected as possible. So once it comes out, you're going to remove the plastic, and the pampas grass is going to be a little stiff looking. It's going to be a little like this, which is not a problem. This is perfectly normal. You want to gently separate the plumes like that. And they're still going to look a little stiff, but that's perfectly normal as well. And it's good to just give them a gentle shake upon opening them up. There will be some shedding because if you've bought natural pampas grass, it naturally wants to reproduce. So you want to just give it a gentle shake. I don't want to shake this too much because I'm inside the garage, but you want to just give it a gentle shake just for the plumes to separate a little bit. Okay, so once you've shaken it a little bit, and just gently, I don't mean vigorously, just gently, you're going to take your hair dryer, blow dryer, and you're going to put it on medium to high heat. I find that medium to high heat separates the plumes faster because the pampas grass is used to being out in the sun, and the heat is what separates it more nice and fluffy for you. So you get your hair dryer, and what you want to do, you want to blow dry it up and down the plumes so it separates it nice, and it will turn this into this. You want it to look like that. So I'll show you how pampas grass is fluffed up for you.
You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever.
So upon blow drying it for a few minutes, it will be fluffy and it will shed a bit, guys. You have to remember, pampas grass naturally is from the meadows, it's from the forest, it's from nature. It naturally wants to spread its plumes and multiply. If you cannot take allergies, if you cannot take a little bit of fluff here and there, I wouldn't advise you to buy pampas grass. But if you like the beauty of nature in your home, and to your home there's only one way, there will be a little bit of fluff until you have it on display. Once the pampas grass is displayed beautifully, it will not shed. Once you manipulate the pampas grass, it will naturally shed. So this is what happens to your pampas grass once it's woken up, fluffy and ready to be displayed. This is how it should look, guys. Beautifully fluffy and just ready to go. So after you've puffed up your pampas grass and you have a few bits, a few stems, they love to be together. They kind of illuminate the whole look of each other, and then they're ready to be displayed. I would suggest you want to fluff them outside maybe once a month to just get them dusted, and then redisplay them again. And the good thing about preserved pampas grass is that it lasts a very long time, and it just needs to be gently fluffed out at your discretion. So enjoy your pampas grass.